What are we doing? This is our first YouTube video. I have no idea how to YouTube or even record at this point, so feedback is appreciated in the comments. But yeah, enjoy this video of Matt explaining his 12-volt system.
Yeah, so today I'll be making this panel. So I made it out of cardboard, or actually craft paper. So if you want to make templates of anything, like I did this for the rear bar and my bull bar, go to your bloody local newsagent shop, because you buy like a massive sheet of it for like $1.80. Yeah, I'll be making this, but the only thing I'm going to make differently is it's going to come out longer, because I want to sit the shunt here like horizontally or perpendicular to the other stuff, because I think it'll be a lot easier for routing cables and give me a lot more room for this, because that will move over more central like such. And then a nice benefit of this is it'll hide all my wiring for everything underneath, I think. I don't have my phone to check.
What's this part for?
This part?
Yeah.
So in my battery box, a lot of people probably haven't seen where I'm actually putting this battery box.
No, you should probably show them.
In the back of my tub, I've got this this door that I made back when I first started it, right? And it's fucking filthy under here, I know. Don't worry about it. But, there you go. It doesn't, not yet. But yeah, so that's my sub tank. I don't really need to ever access it, but if I do, I can. So that's a benefit. Here, but this is where the battery box will be sitting. So it bolts in here, sits just above the exhaust and drive shaft. Inside my battery box that Bella pointed out, that's to clear this latch. So that latch, can you push the button?
So I just...
No, the button, yeah.
Yeah, button?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Yeah, so the box is only from the edge of this chassis rail for the tray.
Yeah.
There's the bolt. So it comes about to here, but it angles over the drive shaft just to give extra clearance.
Yeah, I was going to say, you don't want it sitting on your drive shaft.
No, you don't. That is very
Ideally
true.
Not.
Ideally not. No, you are correct. Good job. Yeah. I'm just working out how long or big I actually want that
The paper.
12-volt panel for it. So I'm thinking...
I think this is, 20.
20. Looks pretty nice. So 200 mil. I'm scratching. Now I get to go cut.
Where do you want me to move
Fill
this?
my socks full of metal shavings.
Where's your safety goggles, Too Savage?
Yeah.
And this, what about this? This folds up too?
That will fold down the opposite direction.
Okay, so down, up, up. And that one's up.
Yeah, because these three will be, I'll be bolting through the sides of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll have 2 bolts there, 2 bolts there, 2 bolts there. That'll bolt
Onto
into
this.
the box. That'll secure this.
Yep.
This one's going to bend down because
Yeah.
it's going to make this plate stiffer
Yeah.
by adding the fold.
Yeah.
And it's also going to help hide the cables underneath it, because you're not going to see it.
Yes.
Without giving myself an edge and then this becoming like a tray that holds dirt or water. Or whatever.
Yeah, right, gotcha. Yeah, right, Picasso. So I lost footage of Matt bending the flappy things up and down. So there's a clip of me doing a test bend on some spare metal, just so you get the idea of how we bent it. I'm tired.
So this one, it's all bent up now. So I'll be drawing 2 holes in each of these. Putting some nutserts in these, because nutserts are your best friend. Make life easy. Bolts through here. Just some, I bought a bunch of bolts off Amazon. So I got a bunch like M3, M4, M5 and a few M6 ones. So I'll probably use M5s.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't have to be ridiculously large. And I got a bunch of nutserts for those as well.
Yeah.
A little bit of...
Yeah, so this is the back of the...
That's the front, that's the car.
Alright, so the car, yeah.
Car is there. So I'll be on this side here.
Yep. So then that's, yeah, at least that's there, so easy access.
Yeah, so that's easy enough to read and check. I'll be drawing holes down the sides of these for all the cables to come out. So if I can open this. So this is where your positive of your circuit attaches to, right? Then you got your fuse here, so circuit comes into here, into this fuse once you put it in. Then on this side of the fuse, it will go internally to this point, which is your positive buzz bar.
What are you doing?
Spacing.
Oh, lovely. Spaces.
Space.
Spacing.
Look at my fancy tool. I bought this and then I never used it, so I'm using it.
What is it?
But what it does is, so you push down, it marks a hole in the center. So the idea, if you have a hole that's no bigger than 10 mil, right,
Down
and
here.
you want to mark, if you have a hole that's no bigger than 10 mil, right, and you want to mark the center of it, you can see it's got like a tapered tip. So you put it into your hole like such, like this, and it's centered, and then you just push in and it will shoot a little bit of paint straight where you want it, which is pretty cool. So 1, 2, get off and now know where my drill bits.
Yeah, so now you know where to drill.
Yeah, well. Then get your beautiful center punch. What bang?
What the hell? That's like...
Oh shit. Easy way to work out what size drill bit you need for your rivet. Just fucking butt them up. See, look, they're the same size, give or take. You need the drill bit to be fractionally larger because obviously that has to go inside the hole you make.
You're such a dad. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks.
Even though you're not a dad.
Not yet.
Yes, not yet.
Yeah. So, this is like an $80 kit, right? Nutsert kit. That comes with a fucking note gun. It's currently on M8 because you'll quickly learn that you use M8s for everything. Like, such a good size bolt. It just works for everything. From M3, M4, M5, M6, M8, M10, M12. Which are all...
Why is there no 11?
Because there's no no one uses M11 bolts. All the nutsert bits have one side that looks like an M6 thread, and then the other side is the actual thread you need. So thread that side in with the collar down, and you'll see the collar slips over both of them like such. If you turn it the wrong way, it doesn't fit. I did there. It's 12 point, so you've got a good chance of fitting. Doesn't have to be fully tight, and then you get your big collar over it. This threads back into the body of the nutsert. Then this goes on top, and this just gives you a flat surface for the nutsert to sit on. So you thread this in. Sorry. Thread it all the way in there, and then as you pull this, it pulls the nutsert in like a rivet and crushes it. Be careful with really small ones. Anything M6 down, you no.
You just have to guess when it's
That's
in?
it. That's done. This one's done, right? An easy way to check is like when you're threading it out, once you can see the fitting, shake it around. You can see the nutserts not moving.
Okay.
Bigger nutserts you'll have to do like tight, and then you
So how
thread
does
it in more and then keep going.
how does it like push it in though? Like like it's just in a hole.
I'll turn it around and you'll see.
Okay.
Are you watching it?
Yeah, I'm watching it. Oh, squishes it like
Yeah. So that little stripy section.
yeah.
That's all we got up to for today. Doesn't look like much, but it's alright. So folded this all up and whatnot. But what I got left for it is I got to drill the holes either side of these fuse blocks so the cable can come up into them and go down, just so it looks neater up here. I got to do a slotted hole from here to here, so I'll drill two like 10 or 13 mil holes at these points like that, and use a grinder between them to open it up and make it like a slotted hole. Do it on both sides so that these cables can just go straight down, be underneath. Do one at this end, there and there, for all the neutrals of those circuits to go down and do their thing. This one I'll do a nice big hole here, big hole here, and then I should be able to paint and bolt those in fully. So, and then we can start wiring the dog, making it actually work, which would be nice. But yeah, that's it, I guess.